My name is Linden and I'm the lead foreman for the company. And I oversee all the job sites, make sure everything is good. I've been at Harris about 15 years and better. I've been doing this since I was like 20, close to 40 years now. For the first 5 years, I feel confident because I know everything now. Typical day, I get here like 6 o'clock in the morning, make sure all the trucks get the equipment, everything they needed. And we take it from there. If any problem on the job, I'm the first one to get a call. I go right over, take care of it, and get it done. Because Harris is the best. Fully experienced, have all the equipment, ready to go. That was like 25 years ago. It was on a cold day. A water main leak on 39th Street and 4th Avenue, between 5th and 4th, downhill. And pumps couldn't stop it, the whole street was ice. And I had to go there and turn it off. It was below zero that day, but we get it done. The deepest sewer I ever worked on is like 25, 26 feet deep. It take me 3 days to get down and take me another 2 days to get the job complete. The house was like a good 15 feet. Mr. Mike. Mr. Mike is the funniest at Harris because he make you laugh all the time. The most memorable job, it was on Mott Avenue in Manhattan. It was like 21 feet deep, all mud, snow. Fire department shut us down, police department shut us down, work day and night. And by 7 days time, we had the job done. That was crazy. Journeyman to become a good plumber, just pay attention, watch and learn, follow the code, you get it done right. To become a good plumber, you have to have interest in the work. You gotta like the work you do and pay attention, make sure take your time, get it done the right way the first time. Well, the young guys is like, they believe in speed. It's not all about speed. It's just do the right thing, get it done, get it over with. That's it. Go for it, it's a good company, they take care of you, and you learn. They give you opportunity to learn and move up fast. Call us. No job is too big, no job is too small. We take good care of you. Thank you.